Hello YouTubers, Billie the Artist here, just with a little vlog update and a thank you. Just giving you a bit of info on all the drawing lessons, and again there's lots and lots coming, but we do have, here we have already done Jungkook and we've got RM Rap Monster from BTS. I am planning on doing now the next 5 videos to get the rest of the BTS guys finished. That's the goal. But I need your help. I really do need your help. Please do like and subscribe for the updates when the new videos come, and then all the stuff in the future. But if you want me to do more and more videos, like I say, it's a joy. I've got a massive list of videos to do. Like I say, the rest of these guys. Then there's other singers. You know, people have been asking for Shawn Mendes, Selena Gomez. There's so many other people. Taylor Swift. They've been asked for a very, very, very long time. And I have to do my work to pay the bills, which is the motorcycle time-lapse. You know, you see those oil paintings and stuff. That's what has been my main source of income. But if you want me to do a lot more of these, whether it's drawings like Ariana Grande, KSI, or even, like I say, the Harry Potter stuff, if you want me to do more of those, or even, hang on a second, we do have Queen Barb and all the other cartoon stuff in the How to Draw playlist, the easier if you want. I know it's a strange thing to say using the word easier, but you know, I make these drawings as easy as I possibly can, and it's fantastic because I've got people as young as 8 right the way through to people, you know, in their 80s if you want, who are learning to draw and develop their skills. And so to actually be able to do this and help people and encourage them with their skills, if you want me to do this a lot more, then please, you've got to make my channel take off. You've just, you know, with all of your friends, share the videos, you know, whether it's the BTS guys, whether it's the portraits with people like Ariana Grande and KSI and Billie Eilish and the other portrait lessons that are in there, or whether you're an absolute Harry Potter fan. There are now loads already in the Harry Potter series, and there's more to do. You know, people keep asking for Professor McGonagall, for Mad-Eye Moody, for the Harry Potter characters in different years. Then there's the creatures, there's the castle. I love doing this. I really, honestly do. It's an absolute joy seeing people develop their skills. And I love using my trusty 2B pencil and others to help you guys grow, because pencils are the beginning. Just being able to pick up a pencil and do a drawing, whether it's, as I say, in How to Draw Anything Part 1, whether it's a bird, a bee, a flea, a tree, a horse, a house, or anything else, it's fantastic to be able to encourage you people all around the world. You know, I mean, I'm in the UK, and it's great that there are people in the UK who are getting blessings and benefits from these videos. And then there's people in the USA, there's people in India, there's people in Australia, there's people in Japan, Hong Kong, absolutely all around the planet. People are enjoying these videos, but I seriously need it to take off. Now, I'm at about 35,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. I'd love to get to 50,000 and then 100,000 and then see it grow. You know, the lovely comments from people who say, oh, your channel needs to, you know, you should have loads of subscribers, you should have millions and all this. I love it. It's such a kindness that you share with me. And I get to share with you what I have learned over the years, and I want to do it more and more and more. Like I say, I have got all the Marvel characters to do. People have asked for Lord of the Rings. There's all the Star Wars. There's Game of Thrones. There's Stranger Things. There's, you know, a recent one was Vampire Diaries. You know, then there's so many other things. And then, you know, cartoon characters, whether it's old ones like Tom and Jerry or newer ones like Phineas and Ferb is being asked for, or the new modern cartoons. You know, there's things like Rick and Morty. There's you know, I mean, I've done some of The Simpsons already, but there's this modern batch of cartoons that people ask for, and it's just brilliant to be able to share and help these skills with you. So I am just asking, please share the videos. The Harry Potter one, this one, has had over 300,000 views now. If you could get any of these videos to just explode up to 1 million, 500,000, that would be amazing to get those kind of views. And that's what YouTube's about. It's about sharing. It's about encouraging people. So if you share and make my channel take off, I can do more videos for you. It really, truly is that simple. And again, thank you so much. I love doing this with you guys. I love sharing, and I love the comments back. And I'm answering as many as I can all the time. And I know one day when it does take off, I won't be able to answer everybody. But again, there's so many of you who are regular commenters, and it's helped you to grow with your drawing. So thank you so much. Please do share this stuff like crazy. Encourage your friends to share it like crazy, just to get my channel to go bananas, which would be fantastic. Thanks ever so much. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be one of these guys. Take care. Ta-da.